Good evening, everybody. This is Matthew Ash from Trend Capture Futures. I wanted to quickly go over the Trend Capture model for the Euro, which we have programmed for NinjaTrader, both for 6.5 and also 7.0. When you see a highlighted red bar like this with an arrow with two red diamonds, that is a confirmed short signal. The other side of the coin would be if this highlighted bar was green and you had an arrow pointing up with two green diamonds on it, that would be a confirmed long signal. So you can see here we had a short signal right here, which took virtually no heat whatsoever, and all profit objectives were easily achieved. The neural network said just recently that you can start trading this as early as 12:30 a.m. Eastern Time if you want. Trade number 2, your first profit target was met, and your second and third profit targets were stopped out at break even before you went into that waterfall decline. Your third trade was a long trade, which was stopped out immediately. So that was the first stop out of the day. Took your first loss on the day. Your fourth trade was a long, and all profit targets were easily met, and there was no heat taken on that trade at all. So currently, the model is 3-1 so far on the day. You can check all of these model signals out in our virtual conference room live for a week. You can see them happen. Just go to trendcapturefutures.com, and there is a sign up there for you to sign up for a free trial. Boy, this thing is exceptionally slow. I apologize. I mean, it's just dogging it. It's going to make me talk more than I want to. I really just wanted to run through this whole thing for you guys so you could see how it did. But I see it's not cooperating. Look at that. That's terrible. Okay, here is trade number 5. Finally, you can see just a monster move lower. You were offered 2 separate places to get short. So now you're 4-1 on the day. Here is another long, trade number 6, right here. Here is another short. Made a choppy move lower. So at that point, got 6 wins and 1 loss. Here is a long signal, trade number 8. All profit targets easily met. Another long signal here. You made your first profit target, and the second and third were stopped out at break even. This is your 10th signal on the day, right here. Got your first profit target once again. Second and third break even. And here's your second stop out for the day. Long signal that immediately was stopped out. That is the second stop out for the day, and the model is 9 wins and 2 losses so far. These right here, you notice there's only 1 diamond. We ignore those. We do not take those. Here's a nice monster move here. It's trade number 12. Obviously, all the profit targets were easily achieved. Trade number 13 caught this move right at the high. First and second profit targets were met on that. And let's see, this thing's starting to act up again. Once again, we've got a couple arrows there. Okay, you got a long right here. That was trade number 14. Easily achieving all your objectives. You did not get stopped out. Came within 2 ticks of getting stopped out, but it didn't get us. Trade number 15 here was a short. All profit targets were easily met. Once again, it was a dual signal, giving you 2 opportunities to get in. And then we went through a period of hitting these as we were declining. This was a long signal. Got the first profit target. The second, third were out at break even. This was a really nice short right there. This was our third stop out on the day. You notice when you get stopped out, it happens very quickly. So it makes it rather painless. Less painful, I should say. Trade number 18 was a long. And we're coming up on 10:30 here, which is typically where I like to stop trading the euro. So trade 19, we got the first profit target only. Trade 20, once again, was a dual entry. All profit targets were met. And trade 21, first and second profit targets met. And the last profit target was out at break even. So on the day you finished with 18 wins and 3 losses. So real quickly, the final statistics for the day. 21 total trades, 86% hit rate on the trades, and 67% of all winning trades achieved all 3 profit targets. So that's definitely important as well. So a very good day on the euro. Once again, if you'd like to check these signals out in real time for an entire week, just go to trendcapturefutures.com. And like I said, there's a link there for you to sign up for the free trial. This is available for NinjaTrader. About another 10 days after we're done with beta testing, it will be ready for distribution for a lease. So with that, I look forward to seeing more of you in the virtual conference room. And have a good night, and best of luck on your trading.